What are you doing?
I am cleaning my room.
What are you opening with the key?
I'm opening the door.
Is she watching TV?
No, she is reading a book.
Who is at the window?
It's a cat.
What is your sister doing?
She is drawing a picture.
What are you eating?
I am eating a sandwich.
Where is your mother?
She is in the kitchen.
Who is knocking at the door?
It is the postman.
Where is the cat?
The cat is under the chair.
Who is she?
She is my grandmother.
Where are you going?
I am going to school.
What is she cooking?
She is cooking rice.
Where is the dog?
The dog is in the yard.
Is your cat sleeping?
Yes, he is sleeping.
What is she painting?
She is painting a tree.
What is your friend doing?
He is playing the piano.
What are you eating for lunch?
I am eating rice.
Where is the clock?
The clock on the wall.
Is the window open?
Yes, the window is open.
What's in the basket?
They are apples in the basket.
Who is washing the car?
My father is washing.
Where is your teacher?
My teacher is in the class.
Is the light on?
Yes, the light is on.
What is your mother holding?
She is holding a basket.
Who is singing?
My sister is singing.
What it is your hand?
I have a pencil in my hand.
Where is your chair?
My chair is near the table.
What is she drinking?
She is drinking juice.
Is this your toy?
Yes, it's my toy.
What are you carrying?
I am carrying a bag.
What's in your pocket?
The key is in my pocket.
Where is the book?
It is on the shelf.
Who is talking to you?
My brother is talking to me.
What are you wearing on your head?
I'm wearing a hat.
Where is your friend?
He is at school.
What is your sister building?
She is building a house.
Who is in the garden?
My grandfather is in the garden.
Where are the children?
They are in the park.
What is your brother eating?
He is eating oranges.
What are you opening?
I am opening the window.
Where is your bed?
In my room.
What are you drawing on paper?
I'm drawing the sun.
What are you washing?
I am washing my hands.
Is your brother sleeping?
No, he's playing.
What is your father doing?
My father is watering the flowers.
Where is your notebook?
My notebook is in my bag.
What is on the bed?
There is a pillow on the bed.
Who helps you?
My mom helps me.
What is your father holding?
He is holding a newspaper.
Where are you sitting?
I sat on the chair.
What is she holding?
She is holding a doll.
What is he writing?
He is writing his name.
Is your father at work?
Yes, he is at work.
What is your mother cooking?
She is cooking soup.
What are you looking at?
I'm looking at the sky.
Where is your pencil?
In my bag.
What is your brother doing?
He is playing with toys.
What is he drinking?
He is drinking milk.
Where is your phone?
It is on the table.
What are you holding?
I am holding a ball.
What are you listening to?
I am listening to music.
Is she sleeping?
Yes, she is sleeping.
What are you drawing?
I am drawing a flower.
What's in the box?
It's in the toys box.
Are you playing?
Yes, I am playing football.
Is the door open?
No, it is closed.
What are you wearing?
I am wearing a t-shirt.
Where is your bag?
My bag is on the bed.
What is she writing?
She is writing a letter.
What is your sister doing?
She is drawing a picture.
What are you watching?
I am watching a cartoon.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I want some bread.
Who is calling you?
My mother is calling me.
What is on the table?
There is a glass of milk.
Are you busy?
Yes, I am doing my homework.
What is she reading?
She is reading a storybook.
Who is at the door?
She is my friend.
What is in your hand?
It is an apple.
Is this your book?
Yes, it is my book.
Who is she?
She is my teacher.
Where is your brother?
He is in the garden.
Who is she?
She is my grandmother.